To make your Facebook completely private, you first have to navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and click on it. Then proceed to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Continue to tap on Privacy Center, and this will redirect you to an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Make sure to tap on the privacy checkup. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and continue to tap on the account that you want to make it private. In this case, it's Mubarick MD. After selecting it, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and it will pull out a list of options for you. And in order for us to make our account completely private, we have to tap on who can see what you share. Then with this selected, proceed to tap on continue, and this will redirect you to an interface like this with a bunch of menus. And to begin with, we have our phone number. If you want to make it private, all you have to do is to navigate beside it and tap on this options menu. Currently this is public, so to make it private, you just have to tap on it, continue to tap on the see more, and then make sure you tap on only me. Then this will automatically make this phone number private. And with your email address, if you also want to make it private, you have to continue to tap on the options beside it and then choose only me. Make sure to scroll up until you locate your birthday. In this case is May 1st. Now for us to make it private, all you have to do is to also make sure we select it and then tap on see more, then proceed to tap on only me, and then you continue to scroll up again with your hometown. Make sure it's also only me. Your relationship status, make sure it's only me. Currently mine is public. Now for me to make it private, all I have to do is to tap on these options, then I will continue to tap on see more, and then proceed to tap on only me. And your current city, which is Accra, Ghana, I'll also make sure it's only me, and I'll continue to do same to all the options below. And that is it. After you are done, you have succeeded in making your Facebook account completely private. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.